Hey, how's it going, you guys? I thought I'd take a minute here to do a review on the Thrunite Archer Mini. I've been using this flashlight as an everyday carry for about 6 months now, so I thought it's about time that I share it with you guys. I did get the black, obviously, with the neutral white light. The neutral white is more of a natural white light, I guess is the best way to put it, as opposed to a Stylus Pro with a cool white. It's much more blue, and I'm not the biggest fan of that. I suppose as long as I have that over here, I'll show you just a little size comparison. I think it'd be a little bit more comparable to the AAA version of this. However, this is rechargeable. This actually comes in at 3.25 inches long, 5/8 inch wide, 1.19 ounces and 34 grams. It is a throw of 87 meters, 285 feet, and a candle power of 1880. It's got 3 different modes, low, high, and a strobe. Low is accessed by just pushing the tail button once. That's 18 lumens for 7.5 hours. High is accessed by pushing the button twice, and that's 405 lumens for 28 minutes, and then 157 lumens for 52 minutes. And then strobe is 3 clicks, and that's 355 lumens for 110 minutes. Now this flashlight does come with a feature of a lockout. So using the flashlight, what you do is press and hold the tailpiece for a couple seconds there, and then it actually locks that out so you can't accidentally push it on your pocket. To unlock it, you simply hold it again and it will remain on then. Charging this is pretty simple. You just unscrew the cap here, and that exposes a USB-C, which you can plug in, and then on the other side you'll see it illuminates red, telling you that it's charging, and that will switch to blue once it's fully charged. One thing to note is this does not have memory, so if you turn it off in high, for instance, and then just simply push the button once, it will return to low. Always returns to low unless you double click to get you in high or triple click to get you back into strobe. So without further ado, we'll take this outside and give you a little demonstration of the brightness. Alright, pitch black out here. Just wanted to do a little demonstration. This is low, high, and strobe. It's amazing on how bright this little light is. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.